Hi everyone, today I'll be discussing 6 tools that I use to create ABM campaigns or even marketing content. So all of these 6 tools that I will be mentioning today are free to use. So all of the images, photos, videos, icons, vectors, and also clip arts that exist on these sites are free to use. And they are usually produced by professional photographers. So please do stay tuned and let's get started. So tool number 1 would be Pexels. Tool number 2, iStock. Tool number 3, Shutterstock. Tool number 4, Unsplash. Tool number 5, PicWizard. And lastly, tool number 6, Victeezy. Now, all of these tools will give you access to HD quality content. And like I mentioned earlier, mostly by professional photographers. These are super easily downloadable, and you can download them in different formats such as PNGs, JPEGs, JPEG files, vectors, or even PSDS files. And they're super easy and accessible right away. So you could just download them with one click and then use them right with your ABM campaign or content. So for more tips and tricks, please keep following. Until later, have a good one, guys.
Thanks for watching and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.